touched my first rose under this orange tree. I was young and fruity. The sweet rose was blooming. I found faith under this orange tree. It was here all the time. One day I picked it up and I realized how great you are. It was under this very orange tree that I read my first Martin Luther King speech.
I have a dream that one day we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal.
How great the word. It was here, under this very orange tree, on this very piece of earth, that I first sang with a hummingbird. How great the song. This orange tree knows me. It's my friend. I trust it. And it tastes good.